Boy, I am thirsty.
Ah, that wine was sure tasty.
Did you just drink the last bottle of wine I had?
Oh shit.
Say that you are really, really sorry.
Say it! I'm sorry! Now that's funny.
You have to ask me for it because maybe I'm a person. I want a bottle of wine.
AC?
What? What the hell is that thing?
I don't know!
The end.
Wait! Why are we doing this?
I don't know. Happy birthday! This year I bought you a big present.
Woof,
So, what do you think of it?
Can I marry her?
What?
woof,
I said, can I marry her?
No, of course you can't marry her. She's a dog.
woof, woof.
But I want to marry her!
What the hell is wrong with you?
Stop. I can make my own decisions.
But you can talk.
Yes, of course I can talk. Nothing in this universe makes sense. Jonas, do you really love me for the way I am?
Never loved anyone more.
Ah! It was just a dream.
Hey man, check out my new girlfriend!
Get up! It's Wine Wednesday. The boys are here. Are you ready to party?
Hell yeah!
Woof,
What's she doing here?
She came with me because she's my girlfriend and you are going to let her in because you are the one who gave her to me whether you like it or not.
ooh, what's this?
A lobster.
And this,
Chinese food.
and this, haha, hachu.
There was a flower pot my mother gave to me before she died.
And what are these two things? Oof,
Jesus, why are you looking so weird at my girlfriend?
Sorry, I just hate her so much.
fuck you.
Oh, you wanna play it this way?
My God, can't you just talk it out?
How?
I know, maybe we should do a dance battle.
I can take it! I surrender! I love skiing! Huh? Ah! I hate skiing!
I hate you.
Shut up, stupid dog!
My brain is big and smart.
Boo!
How and why are you here?
I came from the deepest unconsciousness of your pure soul, full of passion to your legal lord. So I just came by for a bottle of wine.
That were a lot of words I didn't know the meaning of.
Oh, it was just some gibberish my girlfriend taught me.
Your girlfriend? Ever since you got that stupid dog, she has been nothing but a pain in the ass.
What did you call my girlfriend?
I said your friend is a stupid dog. You want me to go sing a song about it? Your friend is a stupid dog. Your friend is a stupid dog. Your friend is a stupid. Your friend is a stupid. Your friend is a stupid dog. Your this is a dog. Dog. Stupid dog. Dog. Your friend is a stupid dog.
Hi there!
Oh, I hate you. Sorry, I thought you were my best friend's dog.
It's okay.
Hi there!
I hate you. Sorry, I thought you were your dog.
You really need to get some glasses.
Hi there, Fatso.
Oh, I hate you.
I'm back, honey.
So one of these suspects killed your girlfriend.
Yes, I didn't see their face, but I heard they were singing to that song Africa.
Ah, Toto! I'm familiar. Suspect 1, can you start with singing the song Africa?
Oh, okay. I stopped an old man along the way.
Suspect 2, continue.
Hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melodies.
He do it to me as if to say,
Hurry, boy, it's waiting there for you.
it's gonna take a lot to take me away from you.
There's nothing that a hungry man or whore could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had.
Woo! Whoa, chills, literal chills.
It was number 1 who killed my girlfriend.
Are you sure?
No, but I didn't like the way she winked at me.
You know that I was the one who killed your girlfriend.
I know, so I killed yours back, so now we're keyed.
Fair enough.
There's something on your face. It was pain.